Chemistry is like magic, but it's real. It explores how substances interact and change. A chemical reaction happens when substances combine or break apart to form new substances. These reactions can create heat, light, or different colors. For example, mixing vinegar and baking soda creates bubbles and foam, showing a gas is produced. Elements are the basic building blocks in chemistry, like hydrogen or oxygen. Compounds are made from two or more elements, like water, H2O, which has 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. By understanding these reactions, chemists can create new materials, medicines, and even solve crimes. Chemistry helps us understand the world and create a better future.
Organic chemistry is the study of carbon-based compounds, which are the foundation of all living things. Carbon atoms are unique because they can form strong bonds with other elements and with each other. This allows for the creation of a vast number of molecules, from simple ones like methane to complex ones like DNA. In organic chemistry, we learn about different types of bonds, such as single, double, and triple bonds, and how these affect the properties of molecules. We also explore functional groups, which are specific groups of atoms within molecules that determine how these molecules behave in chemical reactions. Understanding organic chemistry helps us to develop new medicines, improve food production, and create sustainable materials. It is a fascinating field that connects deeply with both the environment and our daily lives.
Inorganic chemistry is a fascinating branch of science that studies substances not containing carbon-hydrogen bonds, unlike organic chemistry. This field is crucial in industries for creating materials like metals, ceramics, and catalysts. Catalysts, for instance, are substances that speed up chemical reactions without being consumed. They are vital in making everything from fertilizers to fuels. Inorganic compounds also play a key role in electronics. For example, silicon, used in computer chips, is an inorganic element. Additionally, inorganic chemistry helps develop pigments and coatings that protect materials and add colors to products. Understanding inorganic chemistry can lead to innovations in sustainable energy solutions, such as solar panels and batteries. This field not only supports various industries but also contributes to advancing technology and improving environmental sustainability.
Imagine you're baking a cake, and there's a special ingredient that can make it bake faster without being used up or changing the taste. In chemistry, this special ingredient is called a catalyst. Catalysts are substances that speed up chemical reactions without being consumed in the process. They work by providing an alternative pathway for the reaction that requires less energy. This is similar to taking a shortcut on your way home to save time. For example, in our bodies, enzymes are natural catalysts that help digest food quickly. Catalysts are crucial in many industries, such as making medicines and cleaning the environment. By understanding catalysts, chemists can create faster, safer, and more energy-efficient reactions.
Redox reactions are a type of chemical reaction where electrons are transferred between atoms. These reactions are essential for many processes in nature and technology. In a redox reaction, one substance loses electrons, undergoing oxidation, while another gains electrons, undergoing reduction. The substance that loses electrons is called the reducing agent, and the one that gains electrons is called the oxidizing agent. These reactions are crucial for generating energy in batteries and for processes like photosynthesis and respiration. By understanding redox reactions, scientists can develop better energy sources and understand how energy flows in the environment. This makes redox reactions a fundamental concept in chemistry and a key to unlocking new scientific discoveries. Imagine you have a magic scale that can tell you how acidic or basic a solution is. This scale is called the pH scale, and it ranges from 0 to 14. Substances with a pH lower than 7 are acidic, like lemon juice. Substances with a pH higher than 7 are basic, like soap. Water, which is neutral, has a pH of 7. Why does this matter? Well, pH balance affects everything from your body's ability to digest food to the health of fish in oceans and rivers. For example, human blood must stay slightly basic, around a pH of 7.4. If it changes even a little, it can affect our health. Understanding pH helps scientists keep environments safe and healthy, proving that a little bit of chemistry magic touches everything around us.
Chemistry is often seen as a form of magic because it transforms materials in amazing ways. In the lab, chemists act like magicians to create beauty, from vibrant colors in fireworks to shiny plastics. At the heart of this magic is the reaction, where substances combine and change into new ones. Elements, the simplest substances, are like individual puzzle pieces. Compounds are made when two or more elements join in specific ways. By understanding the periodic table, a chart of all elements, chemists can predict how elements will react. This knowledge lets them design products with special colors, smells, and textures. Through experiments, which are tests to discover how substances react, chemists refine their recipes, crafting new and beautiful materials that make our world more interesting.
Chemistry is a fascinating science that studies substances and how they change. Recently, technology has greatly advanced this field. One exciting tool is the spectrometer, which helps scientists see what substances are made of by analyzing light. Another breakthrough is computer modeling, where computers predict how chemicals will react, saving time and resources in labs. Microfluidics is also important. It allows experiments to be done on a very small scale, using tiny amounts of chemicals. These tools not only make experiments faster and safer but also open new possibilities for discoveries. As technology improves, chemists can explore deeper into the molecular world, leading to new materials, medicines, and solutions to environmental problems. Nanotechnology is the science of working with materials on an incredibly small scale, specifically at the level of atoms and molecules. This field allows scientists to create new materials and devices with unique properties by manipulating matter at the nanometer scale, which is about 1 to 100 nanometers. 1 nanometer is a billionth of a meter, much smaller than the width of a human hair. In chemistry, nanotechnology plays a crucial role in developing colloids, which are substances microscopically dispersed throughout another substance. These can include things like paints, milk, and even fog. By controlling the size and interaction of particles at the nano level, chemists can produce smarter drugs, more efficient energy sources, and stronger materials. This tiny tech is leading to big advances in science and technology.
Crystals are solid materials where atoms are arranged in a highly ordered structure, forming a crystal lattice. This structure can be seen in common salt and snowflakes. In crystal chemistry, we study how these atoms are arranged and how this affects the properties of the material. For example, the hardness of diamonds and the flexibility of graphite are due to their different atomic structures, even though both are made of carbon. By understanding these structures, scientists can design new materials for specific uses, like stronger metals for bridges or better semiconductors for electronics. The beauty of crystals isn't just in their appearance, but also in their potential to improve everyday technology.
Welcome to the fascinating world of chemistry, where we explore the elements that make up everything around us. Chemistry is often called the central science because it connects physics with other natural sciences, like biology and geology. At the heart of chemistry are substances called elements, which are the simplest forms of matter that cannot be broken down further by chemical methods. Each element has its own unique properties and they combine in various ways to form compounds. This process is known as a chemical reaction. During these reactions, elements do not disappear, they simply rearrange to form new substances. This transformation is crucial for everything from cooking food to powering cars. Understanding chemistry helps us to not only grasp how the world works, but also to innovate and create new technologies for the future.
The periodic table is a chart organizing all known chemical elements. Elements are substances that cannot be broken down into simpler substances. The table arranges elements by atomic number, which is the number of protons in an atom's nucleus. Elements in the same column, called groups, share similar properties. For example, noble gases in group 18 are all non-reactive. The table also shows trends like electronegativity, which is how strongly an atom can attract electrons. Another trend is atomic radius, indicating the size of an atom. Scientists predict new elements by using the table's patterns. They also try to create new elements in laboratories. Understanding the periodic table helps us explore the building blocks of the universe and predict the properties of unknown elements.
Welcome to the fascinating world of polymers, the building blocks of many materials we use every day. Polymers are large molecules made up of repeating units called monomers. When these monomers join together, they form a polymer chain. This process is known as polymerization. Polymers can be natural, like DNA and proteins, or synthetic, like plastic and nylon. Their properties depend on the type of monomers used and how they are arranged. For example, plastic is durable and flexible, making it ideal for a wide range of uses. By understanding polymers, we can create new materials that are stronger, lighter, and more environmentally friendly. Let's dive into the world of polymers and discover how they shape our modern life.
Environmental chemistry is a branch of science that studies how chemicals affect the environment. One major focus is pollution, which is when harmful substances are added to air, water, or soil. These pollutants can come from cars, factories, and even homes. To understand pollution, we look at how these substances move and change in nature. We also study how they impact plants, animals, and humans. Cleaning up pollution involves various methods like filtering water, breaking down harmful chemicals in soil using plants, and using special materials to capture pollutants from the air. By learning about these processes, we can find better ways to protect our planet and keep our environment healthy. This field combines knowledge from chemistry, biology, and physics to tackle these important issues. Biochemistry is the study of the chemical processes that happen in living things. It combines biology and chemistry to explore how cells function at a molecular level. In biochemistry, we learn about proteins, which are vital for building and repairing tissues. We also study carbohydrates, which provide energy, and lipids, which store energy and make up cell membranes. Another key component is nucleic acids like DNA and RNA, which carry genetic information. Enzymes, a type of protein, play a crucial role by speeding up chemical reactions in the body. Understanding these molecules helps us grasp how life works and can lead to advances in medicine, agriculture, and environmental science. Biochemistry is like discovering the magic behind how life operates at the smallest scale.